Before an NGO can record a single donation, ZetaFisc needs a fiscal year, the accounting year every entry is filed under. Without one, donations are blocked, because there would be nowhere in the books to record them. We set it up now. Further down the sidebar, we open Settings. In Company Settings we come to the fiscal year. This is a permanent, one-time setup, so we choose carefully. First the inception year, the year the foundation was established. Then the month and day the fiscal year begins. Hope Trust runs a normal calendar year, so January, day 1. We configure it. ZetaFisc reminds us the fiscal year is permanent, and we confirm. The fiscal year is set. Donations can now be recorded and will post into this year. And if a colleague without settings access tries to record a donation fast, ZetaFisc politely tells them to ask an administrator to set the fiscal year up.